A hero is born among 100, a wise man is found among 1,000. But an accomplished one might not be found even among 100,000 men. A real hero is someone who voluntarily walks into the unknown, and we have that real hero amongst us today. Good morning, everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 6th episode of Alumni Inspiration Series. Born in Patiala, studied here in Modern Senior Secondary School and AIG in Anti-Corruption Action Line, Government of Punjab, Chandigarh. Though a name that needs no introduction, yet we would try to sum up his vast arena of achievements in few words to give him a formal welcome. An alumnus of the school, he passed out in 1988. He has been honored with DGP Commendation Disc in 2017 and also in 2022. He has been 8 times national champion in gymnastics. He has also been the winner of prestigious Maharaja Ranjit Singh Award in 1994. He is none other than Mr. Vikas Sabharwal. Well, his list of achievements doesn't end here. He also represented India for World Gymnastics Championship in 1993. I must say, he has always balanced sports and academics equally. Furthermore, earlier he was posted as SP Election Cell, Punjab, SP Counterintelligence, Punjab, SP NRI Wing, Patiala and Mohali, SP Vigilance Bureau, Sangrur and Patiala, SP PBI Ludhiana and DSP Khanna. I think the time will finish, but his achievements are not going to take a full stop. The list is endless, but given the limited time span, we have tried our best to list some of his achievements. He keeps on adding feathers in his cap. Sir, we heartily welcome you to the Modern Senior School Alumni Inspirational Series. You are a true inspiration for today's youth. Sir, now I would request you to say a few words.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I am thankful from the core of my heart that my alma mater has invited me for such a prestigious function. Your monthly show, I feel okay. And while sitting in the principal office, we were discussing that the moment, anytime I enter the school, that nostalgic feeling came on arising in the mind, goosebumps keep on standing. So this is what the power of our alma mater, our school. I confidently and respectfully says that I studied here and I am the product of Modern Senior Secondary School. I studied till 12th standard in this school, and not only I studied well, this school and the staff of the school, especially my sports teacher Madam Rajinder Kaur ji, has inspired me to start with the gymnastics. After watching me, मैं छाला मारदा रहिंदा सी, कुदना कदे जंप लेके इधर कदे उधर. So she inspired me. Not only inspired me, she made me participate in the school annual school functions, and there I participated in pyramid events and all very many events, and that motivated me to start my gymnastics, and by doing that I excelled, and rest is the history, as the monitor told you. This is all because of my school and the guidance they have given me. And do we need to ponder upon the topic, today's topic right now? Okay, the topic given to me was, do nice guys finish last. But I totally disagree with the topic. Niceness is a virtue, not a, you can say, submissiveness, or being nice is not to be being slow or submissive. It is being not to be a crooked person. In India, average life of a person is 80 years or so. So it is a big span. If we go through different phases, bachpan, jawani, budhapa, we cannot continue with the same strength or same speed. But if we continue living our life, or you can say it is just like a marathon, not a sprint. Life is not a sprint, दौड़े और ख़त्म करती. Life is just like a marathon. लंबी दूरी दे रेस दे घोड़े बनना है आपां. So for that, for marathon, if you start running with the full speed, you will lag behind in the end. So you have to maintain a pace. Pace is the thumb rule of life. To win the marathon, you have to maintain the pace. If you continue with the pace, you will win. सम रहना, साडे वेदां ग्रंथां दे विच भी यही किया हुआ है. Middling way. In life also you have to adopt the middling way. किसी दूसरे नूं देख के कि वो रिच है तो जल्दी जल्दी रिच बनने ਲਈ we don't have to adopt the crooked ways in life. You have to be very courageous as well as you have to run with the patience. To maintain the pace is the key to win the marathon, and to have the middling way, some ना ज़्यादा ऊंचा जा ना ज़्यादा नीचा. To have to continue with the middling way is the key to be successful in your life. So wise people, nice people always finish first. They may seems to be lagging behind in the middling way during their marathon, on the way to the marathon, but in the end they will finish first, or you can say they will finish successful. जीवन में कुछ भी करना है तो आपको जो वर्च्यूज हैं, you have to adopt those virtues. Humility, kindness, goodness, courage, honesty. Nowadays in India we need students or people who remain honest throughout their life after passing school. Honesty and corruption less and dedicated and devoted life is required once you finish your education and start your job. We need students like you who are much intelligent, much honest and dedicated and devoted towards your job, towards your country, towards humanity and towards your parents and teachers. आपकी अपने गुरुओं के प्रति समर्पण और रिस्पेक्ट, अपने पेरेंट्स के प्रति रिस्पेक्ट और सेवा भाव, वो आपके वर्च्यूज में काउंट होता है. नाइस, देयर इज नो डेफिनेशन फॉर नाइस. नाइस के लिए यू हैव टू डिवाइस योर ओन डेफिनेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओन सर्कमस्टांसेस, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओन सिचुएशन, वेयर यू आर लिविंग, वेयर यू आर डूइंग जॉब. अभी आपकी लाइफ शुरू हुई है, आने वाले टाइम में आपको बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ का भी सामना करना पड़ेगा. तो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट टू मेंटेन द पेस ड्यूरिंग दैट फेज. middling way. You have to adopt the middling way. If you respond to the any situation in anger or हतप्रद हो जाओगे, annoyed हो जाओगे, then you won't be able to cope up with the situation. You have to remain calm and patient when a opposite situation or circumstance came against you. It is the rule of Mahamaya. It will succumb you to a circumstance. आपके संस्कारों के मुताबिक आपको खींचेंगे, but if you remain cool and calm and give no reaction to the situation, that will pass. आपका बॉस आपको डांटता है, आपका टीचर आपको स्कॉल्ड करता है, वो आपके भले के लिए होता है. और अगर आपको लगे कि ये बिना भले के भी मेरे को डांट पड़ रही है, मेरी लेग पुलिंग हो रही है, even then take it as a challenge. You have to take each and every situation of your life as a challenge. I took it as a challenge, each and every situation of my life, and that made me more strong and more successful. I just gave you one example, one single example of myself. I was by birth suffered from congenital talipes with my both feet. It is a congenital by birth disease. My legs were twisted and I went through 3 operations for both the legs to make them straighten. And it was bit difficult for me to even walk during my childhood. But after operations, I'll be able to walk normally. But my legs were frail. And doctor advised me to do some sports. And Madam Rajinder Kaur and Mr. Dharampal sir, God bless him, and Madam Shiminder Kaur, they had not only advised me, they put me, guided me. Mattu sir was also there. They guided me and put me in gymnastics at polo grounds. There Mr. Ravinder Kumar Rishi, he was my coach. And I not only excelled in gymnastics, that was a challenge for me. It was so difficult and tough sports. It is very difficult for a normal and healthy sports person. But I, though was weak with the lower and weak limbs, I excelled. That is an example, because I put in my mind, I made a target, made a aim that I have to become a national champion once. And look at it, I became national champion 8 times. Besides that, I studied well. I am not, मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं करना चाहता. I just, अगर आप लोगों ने बुलाया है मेरे को, I just want to encourage you. और I find best example as of myself. और besides my sports, I did my mechanical engineering diploma, my graduation, MA in Punjabi, MA in English and LLB. ये नहीं कि स्पोर्ट्स में एक्सेल कर रहे हैं तो स्टडी में लैग बिहाइंड करे जाएं. जो स्टडी में ऊपर उठने का एनकरेजमेंट और वो जो माइंडसेट मेरा बनाया, वो इस स्कूल ने बनाया. इस स्कूल की चिजलिंग, फैकल्टी का जो गाइडेंस और वो जो टीचिंग मेथड्स वो हमारे के अंदर इनकलकेट किए, दोज हैव इंस्पायर्ड मी टू एक्सेल इन द लाइफ. एंड मार्क माई वर्ड्स, sports has made me achieve good rank in police department. But after getting that rank, only and only my study helped me to get through each and every situation. Now each and every officer has blind faith on me. Vikas can do it. He is an intelligent officer. how could they say me intelligent? Because of my studies. So you have to adopt the middling way. Middling way means balance. If I would have excelled in sports only and lagged behind in my studies, I won't be able to get such a good position in the police department. So you have to put this thing in your mind. You have to make a aim. Main thing is in your life, and this is the right time to make a target and continue to achieve it. To achieve it. This is the main thing. You will never lag behind and remain nice, and you will finish first. Thank you very much. Thank you to Alma Mater. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद.
So my question is, how you achieve such a nice goal in your life? How you achieve such a nice goal in your life?
Oh, as I have already explained some of the reply, you have to have focus in your life. You have to have an aim or a target. Without target is just like a mad monkey jumping up and down on a tree. He is not achieving anything, though he is working very hard. This is the best example I could quote. आप लोग जीवन में वो बंदर नू बनाता राजा, शेर बीमार हो गया तो लोमड़ी आई कहते जी वो बब्बर शेर मेरे बच्चों नू खान जा रहा है, करो कुछ. बंदर ने छाल मारी उत्ते थले. वो कहती जी होर नेड़े आ गया, मेरे बच्चों चक के लै जूगा. बंदर ने एक डाल तो दूजी तो तीजी तो चौथी. वो कहते जी की करी जा रहे हो? बंदर कहता भी देखो मैं भज दौड़ च तो कोई कसर नहीं छड्डी, बाकी तेरे भाग है. So we don't have to have this kind of mindset in life. We are not lacking in effort. Rest is up to God. It is not the situation. It is not that things don't work like this. You have to have an aim, target, and proceed towards it. अर्जुन को चिड़िया की आंख दिख रही थी, तभी निशाना चिड़िया की आंख पे ही लगा. तो आप लोगों को वही टारगेट बनाना पड़ेगा, फोकस करना पड़ेगा. मैं जब 8 बार नेशनल चैंपियन बना, उससे पहले मैं कभी सेकंड भी आया, थर्ड भी आया, कभी मैं कुछ भी नहीं भी आया. तो एट दैट टाइम आई वेप्ट. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि कमरे में छुप के मैं रोता था. वो क्यों रोता था? क्योंकि मेरे अंदर एक फायर विद इन एंड बर्निंग डिज़ायर. ऑल यू नीड these two things, and those two things were there. Those things made me weep. why मैं क्यों नहीं जीता? और उसके बाद मैं पूरा साल उस एपिसोड को लेकर मेहनत करता था. एंड मार्क माई वर्ड्स, गॉड इज वॉचिंग यू. समवन इज, माई फादर ऑलवेज सेज, समवन इज वॉचिंग यू. यानी कि आपका काम कोई ना कोई देख रहा होता है, और कोई होना हो तो भगवान देख रहा है. मतलब भगवान तो देख ही रहा है. सो यू हैव टू कीप दीज थिंग्स इन योर माइंड. कि मैं ऑनेस्टी की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो व्हेन वी डू करप्शन इज नॉट ओनली टू गेट ब्राइब और एनीथिंग. करप्शन इज ऑल्सो, वर्क शर्किंग इज ऑल्सो करप्शन इन ए वे. यू आर करप्टिंग योर सेल्फ बाय shirking your job, by devising some wrong methods, by devising some crooked methods or terms. So you have to have dedicated, devoted and target based. अगर आपका एम आपको दिखेगा तो दुख तकलीफ, पीठ दर्द, गर्दन दर्द, थकावट, रात के 12 बज गए, 1 बज गए, अगर IAS बनना है तो पूरा मुश्तें कस के बैठना ही पड़ेगा. 6-6 घंटे की एक सीटिंग देनी पड़ेगी. 3-3 सीटिंग दोगे, 18-18, 20-20 घंटे पढ़ोगे, देन यू विल बिकम IAS. दिस स्कूल हैज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड वेरी मैनी IAS. अनुराग वर्मा, मिस्टर विकास प्रताप, अवर topmost senior officers. Mr. Anurag Verma is Secretary Home, Principal Secretary to Home, यानी कि टॉप मोस्ट पोस्ट इन पंजाब डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एन IAS. चीफ सेक्रेटरी के बाद होम सेक्रेटरी की पोजीशन आती है. वी मस्ट क्लैप फॉर मिस्टर अनुराग वर्मा एज वेल एज मिस्टर विकास प्रताप. And luckily and coincidentally, they both are classmates of my elder brother, who is also alumnus of Modern Senior Secondary School, Mr. Sampan Sabharwal. He is a fine architect in Delhi. I hope I am not taking much time. मेरे अंदर तो मसाला भरा हुआ है, निकलता जाएगा. So may we continue with any other question?
Sir, my question to you is, you first came to the school as a student, then as a parent, and now, how do you feel like being invited to your alma mater as a guest?
It's a nice question. The answer to it is, I always feel nostalgic the moment I enter the school. The same feeling came to me as if I am the student of the school. Though I came as a parent or as alumnus, but यही स्कूल सी, यही स्टेज सी, and we were in 10th standard. Those were the final cultural program of the school, and we presented a skit. And I still remember my mother has prepared it. My father and mother, both parents are in theatre line, as you all well aware, and we did it so well. Students kept on laughing on the skit, and it is in my mind till date. But one thing remains in my mind. I always feel proud of being student, being parent, as well as being alumnus of the school. Thank you.
Morning, sir. Sir, I am Kavi Sood of 9. Sir, as a sportsman, I am curious to know, how did you feel when you represented India as a gymnast?
Well, that's a great moment. First, I represented India in 1989. I went to Bulgaria. Burgas was the city for international tournament in 1989, June 89, I still remember. And I always felt there, though we were not so good in as compared to other gymnasts, but I always kept one thing in my mind, that we are the best amongst from where we came. जिस कंट्री से, जिस कंपटीशन को खेलकर हम आए हैं, वहाँ के हम बेस्ट हैं. तो इससे मुझे इतना रिलीफ मिला, कोई इन्फीरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं आया. बिकॉज अगर आप कंपटीशन में जाते हो, आई वेंट टू वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप आल्सो in 1993 at Birmingham. That was a big competition, big extravaganza was there. और उसमें आप जब जाते हो तो एक बार तो आपको घबराहट होती है. And to overcome that thing, you have to focus on your performance, on your aim, and for that you have to keep in your mind that I am the best from where I came. And you have to keep this formula always in your mind whenever you go for an interview or for a competition or for anywhere. You have to keep, I am the best from my situation or the circumstance. But for that you have to make yourself best. Got it? Thank you.
I am Uday Pratap Singh of class 12. Sir, we all are proud to say that your alma mater is celebrating its 75th foundation year. So my question for you is, what changes would you like to see in this institution in the coming years?
That's a bit question to be asked to the educationists, but still, as we were just discussing with the principal ma'am, very many changes have already been done in this school in a very positive manner. But one thing I must add, since I am a sports person, I would like to encourage more and more of the sports as well as extracurricular, co-curricular activities in the school. I don't know how much you encourage and start encouraging, but let me quote, there is one school, Rai School of Sports in Sonipat, and mark my words, they have not only produced sports persons but top notch politicians, IAS, IPS officers are the product of that Rai School. Not only sports persons, there are hundreds of Arjuna awardees, Padam Shris are the product of that school. So there is a myth कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब, but nowadays खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे सचिन तेंदुलकर और top star. So thumb rule is you have to have the middling way, you have to continue with your studies also, but it is my humble suggestion that we must encourage sports as well as devise some of the methods to encourage the sports person, और sports के लिए कुछ extra weightage और fee consumption और ऐसा कुछ भी हम करेंगे तो that will be in the benefit of our school, that will shine the name of our school in the coming years. I keep on reading about the school, I remain in touch through my mobile, जो बच्चे जीतते हैं या कुछ भी हैं, that is a great thing. This is one of my suggestions.
Good morning, sir. I am Jagdish Singh of class 10. Sir, we are proud of you as you hold a very prestigious post. Sir, my question is, kindly share your experiences about the hurdles you face.
Right, dear. Some of my hurdles I have already explained, but main thing you have to cope. It is not kind of a hurdle. It is common with every situation or everything. आप कहीं भी जाते हो कुछ ना कुछ आपको circumstantial और situation opposite और against आपके मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. But you have to cope up with the situation. Just like when I was in sports, I always had a competition with the persons whom I found to be weaker than me. But due to internal politics, they gave more marks to him, less marks to me. But without distracting with the situation, I kept on giving my best performance, and that made me champion. They will have to make me champion. वो आपको कुदरत हाथ पकड़ लेती है आपका, आपको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. Same is the situation with my police department. There are more people of the kind of leg pullers, less people who will hold your hand and pull you up. So you have to have devise your own methods to pull yourself up. And this situation will arise at each and every platform of your life, whether you are studying or you are doing your job or in a family or in any competition. Got my point?
Good morning, sir. Sir, I'm Kudrat from class 10. Sir, my question is, kindly share any memorable moment of your school life.
It is a very good question. There are hundreds and hundreds of memories. If I'll start sharing with you, it will not only take one day, it will take so many days. We have a WhatsApp group of our schoolmates, classmates rather, and we keep on sharing old memories and moments. We had a reunion also in 2015 and we visited the school also. I share one moment और मैं पंजाबी जी दसांगा तुहानू सुन के मज़ा आएगा. There was a chapter in our 5th class or I don't remember the class. पंजाबी ਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਾਮਾ ਗਾਟਾ ਮਾਰੂ. ਉਹ ਸ਼ਿਪ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ट्रैवल ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹਨੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਉਦਮ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ आई डोंट रिमेंबर लेकिन वो कामा घाटा मारू बड़ा मशहूर सी. तो आई वॉज अमंगस्ट द नटोरीअस स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माई क्लास. 2-3 होर सीगे असी कुलवंत सीगा रीत महिंदर सी मैं सी एक दो होर सी. तो देयर वॉज ए ट्री अबेंडेंट ट्री सुक्का पेड़ सीगा वो हिलदा भी सीगा ते उहदे पत्ते पुत्ते झड़ गए सी पर उन्होंने कट्टिया नहीं सी समहाउ. और इन द रिसैस असी उहदे ते चढ़ गए. डेली चढ़ते सीगे लेकिन मैं चढ़ता सी सब तो उत्ते बीइंग जिमनास्ट. असी छालां मारियां सब तो उत्ते मैं वो कामा घाटा मारू कर रहे हैं उत्थे. इन द मीन टाइम धर्मपाल सर अलॉन्ग विद SK वर्मा टू सर दे सॉ मी कि भी ये तो मर जाएंगे कोई ना कोई करनगे. एंड दे रश टुवर्ड्स द ट्री एंड आई being on the top of the tree I saw them first. I jumped from the tree and ran away. And when they came, क्या कर रहे हो क्या कर रहे हो. और जो 2-3 बच्चे नीचे सी वो सारे ने पकड़ लिया एंड आई रैन अवे. और सर ये तो विकास ने गाइड किया विकास. और मैं कहा सर मैं तो वहाँ था ही नहीं मैं कहाँ था. दैट वाज अ वेरी मेमोरेबल मोमेंट एंड वी स्टिल डिस्कस. और वो आज तक मेरे को बोलते हैं ग्रुप में कि तू भज गया सानू फसा गया. और ऐसे बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स हैं. बीइंग नटोरियस और शरारती कुड बी ए वर्च्यू बट टू ए लिमिट टू सम एक्सटेंट. क्रूकड नहीं होना चाहिए आपको लेकिन शरारती वही होता है जिसमें एनर्जी होती है. द थिंग इज़ मैं फैकल्टी को टीचिंग स्टाफ को बताना भी चाहूँगा सजेस्ट करूँगा कि जिसमें ज़्यादा एनर्जी है ना उसको चैनलाइज करोगे चाहे स्पोर्ट्स में कर रहे हैं चाहे स्टडीज़ में तो वो एक्सेल करेगा ही करेगा अपने फील्ड. द थिंग इज़ टू फाइंड आउट द बेस्ट डायरेक्शन फॉर द किड एंड चैनलाइज इट गिव द डायरेक्शन. हम समाधि में ध्यान में क्या करते हैं ऋषि मुनि एनर्जी सब में होती है. दे फोकस ऑन देयर माइंड और बुद्धि तो एनर्जी सारी चैनलाइज उधर होनी शुरू हो जाती है. अदरवाइज एनर्जी चैनलाइज होती है डर्टी ब्रेन की तरफ या कहीं इधर उधर पैसा कमाना है ये करना वो करना. वो टारगेट वही है जो आप एम बनाओगे उधर एनर्जी चैनलाइज होनी शुरू हो जाएगी. थैंक यू.
I am Hanuman of class 9 and my question is, you have been posted to many places. Which is your hardest posting and why?
Well, police is a very tough job. Policing is not so easy. When we all were going through COVID, you all were stuck in the home and very desperate to came out. And Mark, police was moving here and there around, चौकीदारी कर रही थी और जो बीमार हैं उनको लेकर जा रहे थे हॉस्पिटल. वी आवर सेल्फ सिर्फ एक मास्क की सहायता से उठा के उनको भेजा है. पुटिंग वन थिंग इन माइंड दैट दिस इज़ ए सेवा, दिस इज़ ए ड्यूटी, दिस इज़ अवर कर्म. और देखो कोई कोविड नहीं हुआ. वेरी फ्यू पुलिस ऑफिसर्स suffered from COVID. That is not only a destiny, but God is watching you. सर्विस है. तो वैसे सर्कमस्टांसिस के थ्रू भी मैं गया हूँ. बट व्हेन आई वाज पोस्टेड एज DSP headquarters in Khanna and my boss was Mr. Mahal. ही वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर. वो हमको रात को 2 बजे भी नाके पे भेज देते थे. दिसंबर के महीने में 2 से 4 नाका इन ए वेरी secluded place. We kept there and we have to reach the spot and send a message to him along with the location. You can't skip it कि 2 बजे चेक करने कौन आएगा. हम तो खुद चेक करने जा रहे हैं या वो नाका प्लांट करने जा रहे हैं. But I went through that situation for whole year, for 1 year, and in the end that officer had patted my back and said he is my best cop, and that was my certificate. I went through that hard situation successfully, and the key is my patience and my hard work and my aim कि I won't let my boss down. So keeping in these kind of things, you will also succeed in your life. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Viresh Bhushan of class 8. Sir, my question is that sometimes our elders say that the virus of corruption has entered into our blood. Will the young guys also be affected by the corruption, and will brain also continue?
That's a good question. Need of the hour to reply this question, and let me tell you firstly that nothing is in our blood. ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है कि हमारे, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि करप्शन का तो गुण लग गया है, तो हमारे इंडियंस के ब्लड में है. एंड ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. इट इज़ ओनली एंड ओनली system. We have to rectify our system. We have to strengthen our system. We have to make more stringent and strict laws. We just need this much. I just give you an example. We don't use seat belt. We don't wear helmet. We often don't use. But the moment we enter Chandigarh, it is also part of India. यहाँ से 70 kilometers or 75. The moment we enter Chandigarh, we wear helmet. If we are driving 4-wheeler, we do our seat belts, put our seat belts. Why? Because that is in our mind कि यहाँ की पुलिस नहीं छोड़ेगी. Because that is union territory. They have made a different system. They have separated the traffic wing from local police. They have different SSP for traffics. वो किसी की नहीं सुनता है. अगर चंडीगढ़ में कोई मेरे जानकार को पकड़ लेता, वो मेरे से बात भी करवा देता, तो आई एम श्योर कि वो प्यार से बात करूं, 10% है वो छोड़ देगा. 90% ऑफ द टाइम दे डोंट स्पेयर. बट इन होल ऑफ द पंजाब मेरा एक वर्ड ही काफ़ी है. दो इट इज़ नॉट गुड किसी को छुड़वाना करना. आई डोंट इंडल्ज माई सेल्फ जनरली, बट कहीं ज़रूरी होता है या कुछ लगता है कि भाई वार्निंग दे के छोड़ दो, लेकिन चंडीगढ़ में नहीं छोड़ते. वो क्या है रीज़न? वी नीड टू चेंज द माइंड सेट ऑफ आवर पीपल, पब्लिक ऑफ आवर कंट्री, एंड rest will be changed automatically. And it is a good thing to keep the country corruption free. We have high hopes with our new government. Our Chief Minister, Mr. Bhagwant Mann ji, he is a very dedicated, honest, hard-working politician and genuine politician and a good Chief Minister, and we have very, very high hopes with him. Let us give him and his party a good time and a space to change the environment of our state, because it is needed. If we look at the states of the southern part, they were far, far away from us, but now their per capita income has increased. They have developed much. they have better infrastructure, they have better opportunities for jobs, they have better malls, buildings, roads, come what may. So we have to keep these things in our mind. Then we can develop. Thumb rule is we have to keep at least मैंने करप्शन नहीं करनी. If everybody will decide कि मैंने करप्शन नहीं करनी तो करप्शन खत्म. उससे भी ऊपर की बात करता हूं मैं. अगर सामने वाला करप्शन कर रहा है, करप्शन कैसे करेगा? If you will bribe him or her, then only he will be able to do the corruption. If you take oath that I will never give any bribe to anybody in my life, it will stop. So easy. We are part of the society और हम ही लोग देते हैं. हम कब देते हैं? जब हम गलत होते हैं. 90% of the time we give bribe when we are wrong. Okay? Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm Tanvi of class 10th. My question is, what message would you like to convey to the students of this school?
Well, I have already conveyed very many messages, but I repeat that you have to be focused in your life. You have to have an aim, a target in your life. फोकस वर्ड बहुत इजी है, बोलना भी सुनना भी, लेकिन फोकस करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. जब हम पढ़ने ही बैठते हैं हमारा माइंड जो है भागता है, दौड़ता है कि यार ओहो मैंने वो तो किया ही नहीं, अपने कपड़े तो प्रेस नहीं किए, बैठे हैं हम अपना क्लास टेस्ट रिवाइज करने. ओ मैं भूल गया, मैंने पेन में अपने पेन खरीद के लाना था, मैंने कॉपी खरीद के लानी थी, मैंने मम्मा ने बोला था मार्केट से वो लेके आना है. मतलब थाउजेंड्स ऑफ थॉट्स कीप ऑन पॉन्डरिंग अपॉन योर माइंड. लेकिन उसके लिए आपको उन सब चीज़ों को छोड़ के फोकस करना पड़ेगा. एंड मार्क माई वर्ड्स, अभी अनुराग वर्मा की बात कर रहे थे, मेरी बड़ी अच्छी इंटरेक्शन हुई थी उनसे व्हेन ही बिकेम IAS. तो उन्होंने बोला कि लोग पढ़ते हैं 10-10, 20-20 घंटे, कहते मैं 6 घंटे पढ़ पाता था. लेकिन दैट वाज सफिशिएंट फॉर मी बिकॉज ही वाज सो फोकस्ड. 6 घंटे में ही वो किसी दूसरे के कंपैरिजन में 20 घंटे जितना पढ़ लेता था. तो आपको लाइफ में एक एम बनाना पड़ेगा. एम क्या बनाओगे? आपके लिए एम क्या है? टू बिकम एन IAS ऑफिसर, टू बिकम एन IPS ऑफिसर, टू बिकम ए पायलट, टू बिकम ए टॉप नॉच इंजीनियर, टू बिकम ए डॉक्टर, टू बिकम ए CA, टू बिकम ए गुड लॉयर. और बहुत सारे फील्ड्स आ गए हैं, टेक्नोक्रेट. बट यू हैव टू हैव एन एम एंड दिस इज़ द ओनली टाइम. आप सोचोगे पहले देखते हैं भाई एडमिशन कहाँ मिलती है. आप अगर फोकस करोगे कि मैंने एडमिशन ही वहाँ लेनी है, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू गेट योर एडमिशन इन IIT, IIM, एम्स. अगर फोकस ही नहीं है तो फिर वही बात है बंदर वाली. जैसे सांड जो है, पुतरा सांड ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहा है, कभी इधर टक्कर मार रहा है, कभी उधर मार रहा है, चीज़ें भी खिला रहा है, लोगों को भी तंग कर रहा है और कहीं पहुंच नहीं रहा. और उसके कंपैरिजन में एक डर्बी हॉर्स है, उसको तो मोमेंट यू लीव हिम, उसको पता है वो दौड़ के 4 चक्कर भी लगा लेगा ट्रैक के और फर्स्ट आ जाएगा. उसके कंपैरिजन में बुल में कहीं ज़्यादा एनर्जी है, लेकिन ही वेस्टेड हिज एनर्जी बिकॉज ही हैड नो एम. यू हैव टू हैव एन एम, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स में ही है, चाहे वो स्टडीज़ में है, तभी आप एक्सेल कर पाओगे. एंड आई ऑलवेज फील प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग alumnus of this school, or wherever I go, I keep in my mind that I am product of best school, not only of Patiala, or of Punjab, but of the India and the world. Big round of applause for our alma mater, Modern Senior Secondary School. Thank you.